Bilang frontliner ngayong COVID-19 pandemic, ang masasabi ko lang dito as my final review is that highly recommended, especially sa mga na-overwork na frontliners like me na sobrang sagad ang aming trabaho. So featuring etong Stress Tabs Multivitamins Plus Iron. Hi everybody, my name is Anthony. Ang video na ito is all about Stress Tabs Multivitamins Plus Iron. And yes, this is highly recommended as my final review etong Stress Tabs Multivitamins Plus Iron. Bakit? It is because it is made by the most trusted na maker ng vaccine for COVID-19 and it is no other than Pfizer. So ano nga ba ang meron ito na wala sa ibang mga multivitamins? Ang meron kasi dito is naka-highlight dyan, iron. And then hindi rin naka-highlight dito pero tinaasan ng konti ang kanyang folic acid. So ano nga ba ang benefits ng iron tsaka folic acid? Nakakapag-increase sila ng production of yung blood products natin para mas improve ang ating energy, mas maganda yung ating kilos, mas alert po yung ating diwa or yung mind para mas effective, mas efficient tayo sa ating trabaho. So, me bilang nagtatrabaho as a healthcare frontliner, maaasahan ko talaga to because ang testimony ko sa product na ito is that yung presence of mind ko, yung alertness mo is nandoon. Although super stressful yung environment natin, yung environment namin as a frontliner, yung napansin ko lang dito is that mabilis ka makapag-isip ng kung ano yung gagawin mo. Tapos, hindi lang sa mind mo yung nagbe-benefit, pati rin yung physical aspect ng katawan mo. Kung saan, maganda yung workout ng coordination ng body movements mo, tapos yung mind mo, para ma-execute mo yung gagawin mo. One example is that you can prioritize mo kung paano mag-vital signs, na monitor mo yung mga vital signs ng mga patients mo, nabibigay ka ng medication, tapos tumutulong ka sa mga patients para mag-bedside care. So, yun yung isa sa mga benefits na hindi ka nai-stress. So, usually, dati kasi, kapag hindi ka nag-take nito, wala akong tinake dati, tapos unang sabak ko sa COVID ward, pagod na pagod yung katawan ko as in lahat kumikirot. Nung trinay kong i-take to, sinimulan kong i-take, may napansin akong pagbabago after sabihin mong 4 days. Na-energize yung katawan ko, tapos yung isip mo talaga is mas effective and efficient yung pagka-coordinate niya sa kilos and galaw mo. So, tignan natin yung contents nito para malaman natin kung gaano nga ba siya ka-effective, bakit siya effective sa atin, especially for us na frontliners ngayong COVID-19 pandemic. So, here comes the next clip. Bilang honest review, may kita natin na Stress Tabs is made by one of the most respected pharmaceutical brands in the world. Kitang-kita nyo naman, made by Pfizer. So, ang hawak ko ngayon is Stress Tabs Multivitamins Plus Iron na bottle containing 30 tablets. So, it is red in color at sasabihin niya dito na vitamins and minerals. So, we're about to tignan natin dito sa directions niya. Ang indication nito is for the prevention and treatment of vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, and iron deficiencies during periods of stress. Especially para sa atin mga COVID-19 frontliners because we are very exposed into an napaka-exhausting, nakakapagod talaga na situation like nagsi-CPR, tumatakbo ka, nagbubuhat ka, tapos nag-handle ka ng way more patients na 1:40 or 3:40 basta ganun kadaming patients. So, as in, this is really recommended for frontliners. So, usual dose is adult 1 tablet a day or as prescribed by your physician. Kung meron kang personal physician, o diba? Social precautions: do not exceed recommended daily dose or amount. Product contains iron, which can be harmful to children when taken in large doses because hindi pa masyadong nade-develop ang kanilang bone marrow. So, ayan guys. And in case of accidental overdose, seek medical advice. And then, sabi dito is that keep out of reach of children dahil nga hindi pa buo yung kanilang bone marrow responsible for producing mga blood products. Tapos, para sa mga pregnant and lactating mothers, as with any medication, women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should seek the advice of an OB doctor, OB gynae doctor before using this product. Pwede naman nilang sabihin sa inyo, usually, mga second or third trimester, pwede na mag-take. So, yung first trimester kasi is yung medyo critical stage yun. So, yung adverse reaction nito is when taken as directed, multivitamins and minerals are not expected to cause serious side effects because this is a food supplement, hindi po siya gamot. A less serious side effect may include abdominal discomfort, constipation, diarrhea, nausea, stomach discomfort, and hypersensitivity. So, importante na take this product with meals. Ayan guys, especially sa mga sensitive ang mga stomach, yung mga may gastritis, dapat take this with meals. And storage condition, store at room temperature, not exceeding at 30 degrees. Dapat away from direct sunlight, away from yung oven, yung mga microwave, yung mga maiinit na surface. So, dapat nasa loob lang siya ng cabinet. So, ayan guys, kung titingnan nyo dito sa kanyang contents, we have here di-alpha-tocopheryl acetate, vitamin E, 30 IU, ascorbic acid with vitamin C, mataas siya, 500 milligrams, and then nicotinamide, vitamin B3, mataas din siya, 100 mg, iron, 27 mg, vitamin B5, B1, B6, ayan, B2, riboflavin, so vitamin B6 din, B9, folic acid, and biotin, vitamin B7, 45 mg, pampahaba ng hair, tapos cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12. So, vitamin E, C, B complex, and iron po yung contents ng vitamin na ito na talagang nagpapa-energize sa inyong katawan. It is preferably breakfast or kapag night shift ka, yung first meal mo. Ayan, bago ka mag-work para mag-effect siya and talaga namang magiging alive na alive ka. O, di ba? Ngayon naman, bubuksan natin itong product na ito. Siyempre, importante na i-check mo lahat yung mga details, tapos kung may sira yung product, and especially, you should always check for the expiration because yung safety mo ang nakalaan kapag nagtitake ka ng food supplement. So, ayan siya guys, na-create siya noong May 2021 and mag-expire siya the same month, May 2024. So, hindi siya halata, but paano ba ayan guys. So, May 2021 and mag-expire siya sa May 2024. So, yan. And then, bubuksan natin ito. So, saan ba ako magbubukas? Here. Ayan. Ganito yung itsura ng 30 tablets in a plastic bottle. Ganito siya. And, syempre, you should always check kung may sira dito, kung may damage. Ang gusto ko dito is that child lock friendly para hindi madaling mabuksan ng mga bata at baka kainin nila. Syempre, nagde-develop pa yung katawan nila. So, ayan guys, ang i-open mo siya, push and roll. So, push and roll para makita mo siya. And dapat yung seal nito is ganyan siya. Dapat meron siyang seal. Dahil kung hindi, you should return it to the seller. So, ang gagawin mo dito is same din sa mga pinapakita ko sa inyo na tablets. Color reddish ang product na ito. So, we're going to open it talaga. Ayan. So, pag alis mo dito, meron na naman siyang plastic seal. So, akala mo nabuksan mo na, pero meron din siyang plastic seal. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Orange and ayan, orange siya, yung color niya. So, ayan guys, orange yung color niya. Tapos, wala siyang bawas. So, 30 tablets ang isa dito. And once a day po yung pag-take niya. Tapos, inuulit ko, you should take this, yung first meal nyo in a day. And take it with meals. So, dapat katatapos mo kumain, then mag-take ka ng isang tablet na ganito once a day. And yes, ulitin ko na naman po, kapag pregnant ka or lactating mother or yung mga nagpapa-breastfeeding, consult your OB. Tsaka, para sa mga bata, hindi siya pwede. Hindi siya pwede kasi syempre may iron content siya. Baka hindi siya na-ayon sa nutritional intake mo. And consult a pediatrician sa mga bata. So, ang ibibigay if ever mga bata is preferably mga syrup because mas lower yung vitamin content niya as compared sa adult. And for me, yes, I highly recommend this one, especially sa mga stressful ang work and sa mga nagtatanong kung pwede ito sa mga babae. Of course, yes, unisex po itong multivitamins na ito. And I just forgot na ito yung price pala niya. It is available in your nearest na drugstore around the world, around the Philippines, sa Mercury Drug, St. Joseph, lahat ng pharmacy, Watsons. Ayan, yan po yung suggested retail price niya na naipakita ko kanina. And yes, so here it is. This is highly recommended. 10 over 10 ang talagang pwede kong mailagay na verdict. So it is 10 over 10. Walang labis, walang kulang. So if you want more products na i-review ko such as like this, mag-recommend lang kayo ng mga ibang products for me to have a review. And yes, you can comment down below. Ilalagay ko na yung mga link dyan kung saan nyo pwedeng bilhin like Shopee or Lazada. And guys, of course, you can reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa vlog ko regarding my review of Stress Tabs, multivitamins, and iron. So mag-ask lang kayo ng question down below. And kapag may time ako, i-respond ko yung mga comments or mga questions nyo. So hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Always stay safe and highly recommended din ito, especially ngayong pandemic. So, have a nice day guys. Mwah mwah.